A pastry chef taught me this low-cost trick for gourmet ice cream. In a bowl, start with a small packet of passion fruit juice. Add 600 milliliters of milk. Then mix well. Add 200 grams of condensed milk and mix again. Set it aside. Here I'm using a popsicle bag and adding semi-sweet chocolate. Repeat the process with the remaining bags. Next, transfer it into a container and pour hot water over it. The water should be hot, not boiling, to melt the chocolate. Once the chocolate is melted, spread it in the bag as shown. Now use a funnel to add our mixture. Then just close it up, tie and repeat with the other bags. Freeze until firm. Look how amazing, quick, easy and delicious. Make it at your place and I'm sure everyone will adore it. This easy recipe is perfect for selling for extra income. Hope you enjoyed. This was another recipe from Pobre na Cozinha. Big hugs. Until next time and thanks.